Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to start positive affirmations and how to get your self-esteem and confidence back on track. Negative thoughts and self-limiting beliefs can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. So it's essential to address these issues and start living a more confident, self-assured life. Step 1. Choose your affirmations wisely. When starting positive affirmations, it's crucial to choose words that are uplifting and empowering. Focus on your strengths, accomplishments, and positive qualities. Avoid using phrases that demean yourself or make you feel bad about yourself. Step 2. Repeat your affirmations daily. One of the most effective ways to boost self-esteem and confidence is by repeatedly affirming your positive thoughts. Set aside time each day to practice this, whether it's during your morning routine or before bed. Aim to commit to at least 10 to 20 repetitions of your affirmations. Step 3. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building positive habits. To see real changes in your self-esteem and confidence, maintain your routine and stick to your affirmations on a regular basis. Step 4. Stay positive and believe in yourself. Your thoughts have a significant impact on your reality. When you repeat positive affirmations, you're reinforcing your belief in yourself and your abilities. Stay focused on the good in your life and remember that you are capable of achieving greatness. Step 5. Share your affirmations with others. Sharing your affirmations with friends, family, or even online communities can help reinforce your positive thoughts and spread the empowerment. Your loved ones can support you in your journey to self-love and confidence. In conclusion, starting positive affirmations and building self-esteem and confidence takes time and dedication. Remember to choose affirmations that uplift and empower. Be consistent in your practice and believe in yourself. By doing so, you'll begin to see improvements in your overall well-being and attract the life you desire.